I used to overpack for my trips, and my suitcase would be super heavy. On top of that, the clothes that I packed, half of that stuff I never wore. And when I wanted to buy some souvenirs to bring back with me from my trip, it didn't fit. So I wound up buying another suitcase or a bag, and I had to pay more money, and it was just a total hot mess. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I pack for my weekend trip getaway in under 10 minutes. Welcome back to Taylrv. I'm Veronica Taylor. I help busy professionals simplify their lives. So we are going to be packing because I'm heading out to Maryland, and I'm going to show you what I'm pack on my weekend trip. So I pack by category. So clothing, toiletries, electronics or things for like your laptops and plugs and stuff like that. So technology, and extra stuff. So my rule for packing clothing is if you kind of know what you're going to be doing, for the 3 days, then I would pack 2 outfits per day. For example, you have your travel clothing. You're going to come in the hotel, probably take a shower, freshen up, and then you'll probably go out to dinner. So you'll have your dinner outfit, and then tomorrow, decide if you're going to breakfast or brunch, if you're going to be by the pool, or if you're going to go to a club or you have a business meeting. You get the idea. So try to pack as light as you can. So my rule would be, you could do 2 pants, 3 shirts, dress or 2, depending on what you're going to be doing, comfortable sneakers or shoes, and that's it for clothing category. Try not to go too crazy. Yeah. So then the next category is toiletries. Now I have a huge bag of toiletries because I do a lot of international traveling, and I just kind of like take stuff out that's empty and put more stuff in. So yours might be half the size, but make sure you have all your toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, small bottles of shampoo if you don't want to use the hotel shampoo, comb for your hair. I wouldn't bring like a blow dryer because usually the hotels have like, blow dryers and stuff like that. So just kind of keep it light. The next category would be your electronic stuff. So I just have a simple small bag, for, my cords, to plug in my phone. If you're bringing your iPad or your laptop, you could just have them inside of here. I also have a bag for my underwear, socks, and t-shirts, and sleepwear. And then I also have my bag for some shoes. So I try not to overdo it on the shoes, because before I used to bring 3 pairs of heels and 3 flats and 3 pairs of sneakers, and like half the time I didn't wear none of that stuff. So I slimmed it down to, just to what I would be using. So let's recap. You have clothing. The clothing you're going to wear, I would say 2 outfits for the day. You have your toiletries. Make sure, I usually leave my toiletries in my suitcase, but it's good to go back through them, and if you're running low on stuff, toss them and make sure that you get more stuff and put it back into your suitcase. Make sure you have a case for all of your electronics. And I didn't talk about the extra stuff. So extra stuff is when you go shopping, because I know when you're out, you're definitely going to be going shopping. Make sure that you have room for those items to put into your suitcase. So you can pack light and everything is a breeze and you have all your essentials. So if you like this video or you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Taylrv for more practical, organized living and lifestyle advice. And let me know what's the one thing that you cannot live without, that you have to pack in your suitcase. Let me know below in the comments. Thanks. Bye.